Welcome to Wealth Wisdom by Sackett. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to financial prosperity? Look no further. Join our vibrant community as we delve into the captivating world of mutual funds. Intrigued about mutual funds? Let's explore together. What is a mutual fund? Curious about how to make your money work for you? Mutual funds are a powerful investment vehicle that enables you to pool your resources with other investors, creating a diversified portfolio managed by seasoned professionals. Discover the ins and outs of mutual funds, from their structure to their impressive potential for growth. Benefits of investing in mutual funds. Ready to turbocharge your financial future? Investing in mutual funds offers an array of advantages that will make your money work harder for you. 1. Diversification. Say goodbye to putting all your eggs in one basket. Mutual funds spread your investments across a wide range of assets, reducing risk and maximizing potential returns. 2. Professional management. Leave the heavy lifting to the experts. Skilled fund managers research, analyze, and make informed decisions on your behalf, saving you time and ensuring your investments align with your goals. 3. Accessible for all. Investing has never been more inclusive. Mutual funds provide an entry point for investors of all backgrounds, offering a low minimum investment requirement, making it accessible to everyone. 4. Flexibility and liquidity. Need to access your funds? No problem. Mutual funds offer flexibility and liquidity, allowing you to buy or sell your shares at the end of each trading day. 5. Wealth accumulation. Watch your wealth grow steadily over time. With the power of compounding, reinvesting dividends, and capital appreciation, mutual funds can be a reliable avenue for building long-term wealth. Join us on Wealth Wisdom by Sackett as we unlock the world of mutual funds, guiding you on your path to financial prosperity. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss an episode packed with valuable insights. Together, we'll master the art of investing and create a brighter financial future. Remember, knowledge is the key to unlocking wealth. Let's embark on this exciting journey together at Wealth Wisdom by Sackett.